It turned out that intombi kaSandile leyayifuna kangaka uMonica iyiqola, and insuku kaFefe guys zibaliwe njengoba ke umkhulu uZwide esekhaya echaza nangamaphupho abanawo ngomama ke uMaZwide. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on House of Zwide from the 17th to the 21st of June 2024 on Monday. After learning that Sandile chickened out of his date with Monica, Mampho convinces him he still has a chance, especially after Monica messages Sandile asking him why he stood her up on Tuesday. After realizing they don't have money and expertise to host the hairball show and fearing competition from the rival saloon, Molefe and Maria decide they are better off cancelling the event on Wednesday. Molefe is desperate and turns to Honor for help. After finding out that it's too late to back out of hosting the hairball on Thursday, Sandile wakes up alone and drugged, only to discover that he, Soga, and Mampho have been robbed by Monica. Mampho suggested they track Monica down on Friday. With Les on board, Molefe asked Keletso to help her find the models for the hairballs, but he hits a snag when Zanele refuses to be one of the judges. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. It turned out